Welcome back to the International Builder Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Behind me is the Las Vegas model from Modulux. What we've got here is a 1,200 square foot steel frame prefab home with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Modulux was at the show last year. However, they brought something completely different this year and it turned out great. So what I'm going to do is take a quick trip around the outside, then we'll head inside and see what they got for us at IBS 2025. For anyone who missed the video on Modulux last year, they do have a couple different options on how they can ship their homes. They can ship them in panels, kind of like a flat pack, or they can ship them in sections, and which one makes the most sense is probably going to differ from site to site, but they do have the 2 options on how they'll ship. As you can see, they've got a few different entrances into the home. I'm going to take the wide angle around here behind this fence, and you can get a look up there at the steel frame. They didn't finish the back because I think they wanted to leave that exposed so people can see exactly how they build. On this side of the home, they've got a sliding glass door that goes into the main bedroom, which I will talk about more when I get inside. That's the second bedroom there. And then these are a few options that they've got for doors. So let's go all the way around again, get one last look at the front from this side. And I think now the last thing we need to do is to go inside and just see what they've done with this interior. Let's do it. Welcome inside the Las Vegas model from Modulux. So they were here last year at the show. I toured one of their homes, but I think they really stepped it up this year. And the first thing, as soon as you walk in the front door of this home that you might notice, is they've got a proper entryway. And that's not something you always see. A lot of the homes you enter into the living room and it's like, okay, I wish there was some sort of transition from outside to inside, and they've taken care of it here in the Las Vegas model, so I like that. What they've got is they've got a place to put shoes, they've got a little bench to put shoes on, and then up here they've got this double door cabinet, let's call it, where you could put more of your stuff that you just don't want laying around. From the entryway you move into the living room, and the way they have this home set up is they've got kitchen, dining room, living room, entry on one half, and then bedrooms and bathrooms on the other. So you'll notice they've got wood on the walls, vinyl plank on the floors, and then they've got the accent wall over here where the TV's mounted. Moving into the living room, you might notice some of the staging they've got here. All of this furniture, this is interesting, was built by their parent company, the Tranduct Corporation. So they build furniture for a lot of the main hotels here in Vegas, like the Marriott, the Ritz-Carlton, and a bunch of other ones. I don't have the entire list memorized because I just don't know why I would have that memorized, but those are a few that I can remember anyways. So we've got the living room, we've got the dining room. Let's check out what they got going on here in the kitchen. The reason I started talking about the furniture to begin with was because you can actually get the furniture included in the purchase. So without furniture, this home ships from Vietnam and it comes in 4 shipping containers. But with the furniture, you add on 1 more shipping container, making it 5, and that's how this one arrived. And they set it up in 4 days, so you can get all of the furniture that you see here in the Las Vegas model included in the purchase. So they've got the kitchen built across this sidewall, lots of storage. I don't know that I have to go through every single one because you can see it, but a couple of the highlights are the pots and pans drawer here. I like these tall cabinets that they've got up top. You would have an extra couple shelves in there. They're not in there now. So they got 2 sets there, another 2 sets over here, and then more lower cabinets. So I really don't think there's going to be any kind of shortage for storage for a 2-bedroom home. I think they've got it pretty much covered. Here we've got the fridge, and yes, it is missing a door handle, but that's okay. We can look past that. Let's head down into the bedrooms. So if you think about it, you could easily fit 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in 1,200 square feet, but they've opted to go for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom to display here at the show. And what I like about how it displays is none of the spaces are cramped. So this is the 2nd bedroom, and you got lots of space to move around. They've got a nice big closet in here, and again, this is the 2nd bedroom. Just wait until we go into the main bedroom. But from here, first, we're going into the bathroom, and it's the exact same story. I'll just show you. See what I'm talking about? 1,200 square feet is not a huge amount of space, but by making it a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, every space feels spacious. Yeah. So what we've got here is a nice deep tub. It's got a little bit of a recline there that I think would be quite comfortable. Of course, they've got the shower head as well. Window that opens. They've got the vanity over here with a little kind of caddy shelf down below, we'll call it. And they've got this shelf up here to hang towels right beside the tub, which is nice. You hop out, you get your towel, and away you go. Over here, backlit mirror with a button on it that I will push that turns the backlighting off. So, moving on to what I think is the best part of the home, the main bedroom. This specific section is going to show a little bit better on the walkthrough, but this is what you're going to see directly when you come into the bedroom. So I'm standing in the walk-in closet. Behind me is the bathroom, and then over here is where they've got the bed. See what I'm talking about? This bedroom feels huge. They got enough room for the chair in the corner. They've got a little workstation over there, and there's more than enough space for what looks to be a king bed. I'm a queen bed guy, so I don't know for sure, but they've also got this sliding door over here, which is out to a patio access. I'm gonna close that up. There's music playing. They're having a bit of a rager of a party next door. Hopefully it doesn't come through onto the video, or I'm gonna get into a bit of trouble from YouTube. So I think the best thing that I can do now is do a full continuous walkthrough so we can get a feel for the flow of this home. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so heading in the front door. Again, you've got this little bit of a landing area, so let's take a look. Oh, there's me. How are you? You got a place for your shoes. There's the bench over there. And then this is what I was talking about. For the stuff you want out of plain sight. Don't know what that might be, but I'm sure there's something. Didn't talk about the windows much, so you got 3 on this side into the dining room, and then we go into the living room. I like the kind of decorative lighting that they've got running along those beams there, and I do like the accent wall. So living room flows into the kitchen. They got the gray cabinets there, a little bit of shine on them. I think that looks cool. Lots of counter space, and there is the refrigerator. So cruise around, get a look from this side, and then head down into the bedrooms, because I know there's a few things that I missed, and if I don't hit them, people will be up in arms in the comments. First, this is where the washer dryer will go. They've got their swag bags in here, but as you can see, it's all plumbed and ready to go. You just got to put the stuff in there, hook it up, and you're doing laundry. Here's a look at the bathroom. Check out the lean on this tub. Nice, my shadow's right in the way. There's the toilet there, vanity, and we will have a quick look under there because why not? So going across, or not across, going down into the second bedroom, just to get a sense for the size. One window behind the bed, another one over here in the corner. And when I come back around, you just about go into the living room, you hang a sharp left, and we're in the main bedroom. Here is the walk-in closet. So you got place to store stuff up there, hangers there, drawers there, and then we're doing it all again over on this side. Bit of a double whammy. I like it. Pocket door into the ensuite. There we go. Again, tub shower, window, and a place for towels. So the main bathroom is a little bit bigger than the ensuite, and I don't mind that. So here's the main bedroom. Look at the size of this. There's the desk I was talking about over there in the corner. I don't know, some might call it a desk, some might call it a get ready station. I don't know what those are called. built-ins by the bed on this side. And again, got the decorative lighting as well as the wall-mounted lighting, so they really went to town on this thing. Let's head back out. I'll bring up the floor plan so we can get a look at this thing, and then I'll talk about the price. As promised, here's a look at the floor plan, and you'll notice that it's got everything that you just saw and probably a few things that you didn't. If you want more time to study this thing inside and out, feel free to pause it here. I'm moving on. All right, now let's get into the pricing because I know people are curious, and yes, it is available. So they've got this home priced at $115 per square foot, which I think puts it around $140,000. However, that doesn't mean you're moving into your new home for $140,000. You've still got shipping on top of that, you've got setup on top of that, and that's going to differ depending on where the home's going to be located. So this is basically just a place to start. $115 per square foot, but that's plus plus. That's it for me here in the Las Vegas model by Modulux. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.